Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Notepad appears to be missing in Windows 10 after a recent update. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Apps and Features. Best result should come back with Apps and Features listed right above System Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Optional Features, and then click the plus sign where it says Add a Feature. Type in Notepad. If Notepad was not already installed on the system, it'd be listed here, and you just click on the little plus sign next to it, and then click Install. So very straightforward process here, guys. It shouldn't take very long to install. You click on Install, restart the computer, and it should be pretty quick, and it will appear down here underneath Installed Features once it's done. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.